Whoop. Oh, hi friends! Miss Lunette here. I am so happy that you're here. I'm just here with my telescope. Whoa. I was wrapping lots of presents recently and I had this left over. So now I can use it as a telescope, or I can pretend it's a trumpet. Or I can pretend I'm on a boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Ooh, I have an idea. Since you're here, we could play a pretend game too. Ooh, I was playing pirates because I was looking for some treasure. I have an idea. Maybe now you're here, we could play mermaids. Let's play mermaids and let's go see if we can find some pirate treasure from a sunken pirate ship. That sounds like so much fun. Let's go. I have some options here for colored mermaid tails. Which color would you like first? Oh, that's a good choice. Now I need help with my mermaid tail. I would like a purple mermaid tail. Which of these colors is a purple mermaid tail? That one! That's right! Oh, that looks perfect! Now I need to find a bag to take with us when we go looking for the pirate treasure. I need my blue bag with a purple shell. Which of these bags is blue with a purple shell? Yes, that one is blue with a purple shell. Great job, my friend. All right, now we have our tail picked out and my bag ready. Let's use some magic to turn into mermaids. Go ahead and show me your wiggly fingers. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Great job. Now wiggle them up, 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 up. And wiggle them down, 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 down. And wiggle them around and around and around. Wonderful job, my friend. Now let's take your magic wand and we're going to count to 3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Boop. And now we're mermaids. Oh, mermaid-erific. Let's go ahead and stretch out our new tails. Go ahead and sit down on the floor and stretch out your mermaid tail. Stretch. You can pretend by stretching out your legs. Great. Now you're going to lift your tail up and lift your tail down and lift your tail up and lift your tail down. And now kick your legs like this to show that you can swim. Oh, perfect! I think we're ready to go swim and find some pirate treasure. Now to get to the pirate treasure, we need to swim through some obstacles. If you see anything that I need to swim above or below, I need your help to shout up or down. And you at home can hop up or crouch down whenever we see an obstacle. Ready? All right, let's start swimming. Swim, swim, swim. Oh, stop. I see some coral and some rocks. Ooh, that looks pretty dangerous. It might catch our tail. Do you think we should go down or up? Up! Right! Go ahead and jump with me. Up! Great job! We went over the coral. Let's move on to the next obstacle. Come on! Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. Whoa! Look at all those jellies! Ooh, do you think we should jump up or crouch down to get past the jellies? We should crouch down. You're right. Okay, crouch down with me. Down, down. Oh, great job, friends. Whew, that was a close one. Oh no, it seems we have another obstacle. It looks like it's a shark. Oh, he's swimming kind of low though. Do we go up or down? Jump up, right. Jump with me. Jump. Great job, my friend. Whew, we made it past all of the obstacles. You did a great job. It looks like we've made it to the sunken pirate ship. Great job, my friend. Ooh, and I see some treasure chests here. It looks like they're locked. We're going to have to find the keys that match the treasure chests. Ooh, let's start with this one first. This treasure chest has... what shape is that? A heart! Right! Let's see if we can find a key that has a heart. Do you see any keys that have a heart on it? Yes! That one has a heart shape. That's perfect. Let's grab it. Grab! This is the final treasure chest that we found. Ooh. This shape has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What shape is that called? A hexagon. Right! Let's see if we can find a key that has a hexagon. Now remember, a hexagon has 6 sides. Do you see a key that has a shape with 6 sides? Yes! That shape is a hexagon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Great job, my friend. Now we have all of the keys to match all of the treasure chests. Let's use some magic to open these up. Go ahead and show me your wiggly fingers. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And wiggle them up, 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 up. And wiggle them down, 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 down. And wiggle them around and around and around. Great job, my friends. And now let's point our wiggly fingers to the treasure chests and count to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Look at all the wonderful treasures we found! Great job, my friends! I couldn't have done it without you! Thank you so much for helping me today on this mer-mazing adventure. I had a fantastic time. How about you? Oh, wonderful! Ooh, I hope that you go on some fun mermaid adventures today. I'd love to hear about it later. Thank you again for playing with me, friend. I hope we play together again soon. Bye! See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Toodaloo, kangaroo, I had so much fun with you. Love you lots, tater tots. See you soon, raccoon. I had so much fun today. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now, friend. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!